Alright, as we can see based on daily chart, the price correcting here. Now the things is we want to see whether if we can get the up move from, after we this correction complete, and what we expecting. We wants to price, that's mean we're looking for buy, but what we want is whether the price can come to this high and break or not. Actually, our target, if we get the buy, our target is not to come to this high, is our target is to break this high, trend line, break this top and continue. All right, anyway, based on daily chart we are looking for this correction, and we want to see how we can trade it. Anyway, we need to bear in mind, even in my last video analysis we mentioned there is a possibility we get this correction in relative to this for the next move down. But from what we have here, we want to see whether this correction can give us a buy or not. In this case, we move to lower time frame. All right, as we can, based on 4-hour chart, as we can see, there is no much changes in compared to last video analysis when the price was here. Still the price is correcting. Then we move to lower time frame, 1 hour. We see how we can trade. All right, based on 1-hour chart, if we refer back to my last video when the price was here, we mentioned that we are looking for we are more interested in the down move, and we analyze how we can look for sell. As we can see, the price dropped, but we didn't have a proper trade setup that we could trade it. Even if I move to 15-minute chart, we see there was no proper trade setup which we can trade. Anyway, we move back as we wanted the price drop, but we didn't get the proper and trade setup to trade. Now we want to see what's the next. All right, okay, now the question is whether we can put this one in relative to this. That means we can expect the price at least to break this high before we get the down move. That means if the price comes in this high break, then if we get the down move, we are more interested. All right, then how about if the price continue and drop from here? Can we look for sell? At that times, the only way we can look for sell, the breakout of this, we get the correction. But I don't think so within this range also we can get a good trade setup. That's why we want to see whether we can put these two in relative to each other. If the price move and break this top, at least to break this top, then any sell from there, if we get, we take it. All right, then any sell we get from there, we take. And what we target when the price come here, we need to start to manage it, because we expecting the price, if you see based on higher time frame, based on daily chart, this is a correction we were talking about. If I move to daily chart, we can see the correction. This is the correction. All right, now the thing is, if I move to 1-hour chart, we want to see, because we said based on that correction we want to see whether we can get the up move. We get a buy setup based on daily chart. All right, in that case, that's mean if the price come to the at least to break this high drop, then when the price come to this level, we see if there is a continuation, we keep. If not, we take out the trade. Then from there we look for buy. And what we expect to price come and break this high and continue. Anyway, the question is how long we will be within this correction, and how deep this correction will be, we are not sure. Maybe the price will move up, drop, we will be within this correction for a longer time, we are not sure. But as we explained, based on what we have right now, we want the price to come to this high. If from there, if we get any sell, we take. And as long as the price, how high it can go, we are not sure. Even if the price move to this high or break, we are not sure. But from there, if we get any sell, when the price come to this level, we start to manage. If it's moving, we keep. It's like moving, but if it's not, we take out the trade. Then from there, we look for buy. All right, anyway, in this case, we don't have any trade setup, and as we can see, the price is correcting within this range. And in this case, we just follow the chart and see how we can trade. Thanks.